In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Miro. If you're new to Miro or just want your boards to look more polished, changing the font is a quick way to set the tone of your content. We'll start from a fresh board and walk through choosing a font for your text so everything looks clear and consistent. I'll also share a few small tips along the way to make the process smoother. First, open your browser and head to Miro.com. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll see options to start something new. Go ahead and create a new item so we can work with a blank canvas. Starting fresh makes it easy to focus on formatting without distractions from existing content. Choose the board option to open a new whiteboard. You'll land on a clean, empty space with the main toolbar running down the left side. That toolbar is where you add shapes, sticky notes, and, of course, text. To add text, select the text tool from the left. You can click the T icon, or if you prefer shortcuts, press T on your keyboard. Your cursor will change and you can click anywhere on the board to place a text box. Type the text you want to format. This can be a title, a label, or any sample content you plan to style. When you're done typing, make sure the text is selected so the formatting controls apply correctly. If you need to reselect, click once to enter the text box, then drag across the words. Selecting the text first is important because the font menu won't change anything unless the text is active. Look toward the top of the screen for the formatting toolbar. There you'll see the font control. Click the font name to open the drop-down menu. If the option appears grayed out, it usually means your text isn't selected yet. So click back into the text box and try again. From the font drop-down, browse through the available typefaces and choose the one that fits your style. You'll see a preview of each font in the list, which helps you compare at a glance. Once you click a font, your selected text updates immediately on the board. Take a moment to zoom in if needed to check readability. If you're working with headings and body text, consider picking one bold, clear font for titles and a simpler font for longer text to keep things tidy and easy to read. That's it. You created a board, added text, opened the font menu, and selected the font you want. Miro saves changes automatically, so your formatting is preserved. Keep experimenting until the look matches your project, and you'll have a board that's both organized and visually consistent.